Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm the dermal therapist here from KM Surgical. We're going to do a peel and some LED treatment today. Basically what we're doing is incorporating some medical grade actives into the skin to do a really nice exfoliation and just promote the hydration in the skin as well. I'm going to pop the LED on now. LED is a light treatment that is used for many different things in the skin, but we mainly use it for calming the skin. It promotes the rejuvenation, so that's why it's really good to tie in with the peels. So I'm just going to press just a light oil balm into the skin, and then I'm going to pop some SPF on so that Nelly is all ready to go for the rest of the day. Okay, so that concludes the treatment today. So we've done the Bio White peel followed by the LED treatment. You're all set up and ready for the day, so you don't need to apply anything else to your skin now. You can see there's no redness in the skin, just looks really, really nice and healthy. Thank you for watching.